Hello. So I will start with the first scenario. I will go to AUB SML, Medline. So the question is, in teens trying to quit smoking, is cognitive behavioral therapy more effective than nicotine replacement therapy? Okay. So first of all, first start by deciding on what's each component of the PICO. So the P is teens trying to quit smoking. The I is CBT. The C is nicotine replacement therapy, and the O is smoking cessation. So this is a therapy question, first of all. So I broke it down to different concepts that I will try to search for on Medline. So the first concept is CBT. So I will search for it to see if I can find its mesh. So the mesh is cognitive behavioral therapy. I can make sure this is it in the scope, but I'm sure that it is. So I can go to the tree. It's three, and okay, I want these submeshes, so I explode and continue. Include all subheadings. Okay, so this is my first concept. I could have focused, but first I wouldn't do this as a first step because I can decide whether I want to focus or not depending on the number of articles I get in the end. Okay, so the second concept I will search for is nicotine replacement. Okay, so I get smoking cessation, um, and I also get tobacco use cessation devices. So I will go to scope of tobacco use cessation devices. Okay, and I see that this is what I want. Okay, so I go back. Okay, and I click on it to see the tree. I want nicotine chewing gum as a submesh, so I explode. I click continue. I include all subheadings for now. Continue. So this is my second concept. هلا uh, nicotine replacement. Ah. So there was also um, the other meshes that I found. So smoking cessation. So I want to see if it is what I want. So I add it to the meshes. Okay, so it is mapped to the right mesh. So I will also add it. Okay, so I don't explode because there's nothing under it. Continue. Include all subheadings for now. Continue. So now I have to combine all three concepts. So I tick them all and I combine them with a Boolean AND. So I get 58 articles. Now I have to go to the limit and to the limits and put teenagers in the age. So adolescents. Okay, I'm down to 10. And now I need to apply the EBM filter also in limit. هلا since I have a very small number of articles, I will click on therapy and maximize sensitivity so I get more results. Another way to do it, since this is a therapy question, is by going to publication type and clicking on randomized controlled trials. But for now, I will click on therapy, maximize sensitivity, and limit my search. So I am left with 8 results, which is a good number of articles for EBM questions.